Hi, and today I'm going to show you how to do a box stitch. So you'll need 2 pieces of the strings, the craft lace or whatever you call them, and you start off like you do with the circle stitch. Okay. But this time you don't do a cross, you do a T, and the one that's going up and down, you have to cross them over. Like, and then you have to take, I'm gonna take my green one and I'm gonna go over under. And the box stitch is really confusing because you have to put this one to this side, you have to put the right one to the left, so put it over and under to the left, and take the left one and put it over and under to the right, bring it to the right. Okay, and I'm going to do that another time. This one, but this is the opposite. You bring the left one to the left and the right one to the right. So, like this. If you know what I mean. Okay, that's finished now. So, thanks for watching, guys, and bye.